So there's a problem. If you want to create motion-controlled robotic camera shots right now, and you don't have $200,000 to spend, there are 0 options for you. You might have seen online all the crazy shots like these. The devices they use are way out of reach for most people. But this right here is Blinky, and he's got 1,000 frame per second camera on him. So to get this project rolling, we're gonna hop on eBay and we're gonna type in Rethink Sawyer. And you see right here, look at that one, $2.46. Just kidding, he's actually got it listed for 8,000 something. So you're gonna pick up one of those, and then you'll want a Chronos 2.1. Chronos 2.1 retails for $6,800. Only go with the 8GB option of RAM, and then you can upgrade the rest yourself. Finally, we're gonna use DragonFrame software. Then you'll need the DragonFrame motor controller, or the older one, the DMC16. And finally, some Gecko stepper and drivers. About $100 a piece. And then you'll have yourself a camera controlled robot.